This song right here is out on all streaming platforms. If y'all want to check it out, you just gotta type in my name, Tyler Lorette, Tylerlorette. Put .com at the end, you can find all my socials there. This one is about being in love with a close friend of yours, but you're just so afraid to tell her. You don't want to wreck that beautiful friendship y'all have, and no matter where you are or no matter where you at, you see her everywhere. This one's called In the Dark. She looked like trouble with that messy bun in her hair. She smiled at me like you do, it made me stop staring. Tailgating like it's a patio, sipping on twisted tea. She got that special glow, some would say she's right for me. She said, hey, ain't it chilly tonight? But I'm still fired up by the way you look lit up on Broadway Strip. Pretending my heart is open, pretend the lock ain't broken, but there should be, but no vacancy sign. She's trying to pull me closer, I got you on my mind, searching for a heartbeat she never gonna find. I'll let her feel it pounding, she'll never get inside, 'cause I may be just there with her in his Chevy Lights. Oh, but I'd rather be just you and me, lost in the dark tonight. Oh, drain all the batteries until we be in the dark tonight. We've known each other since we were both 17. Never told you how I felt in case you shot me down. Lose what we have right now. What if I said, hey, what you doing tonight? Wanna get lost in some light? I heard the moon is hung out real pretty and bright. Babe, my heart's wide open, but am I a fool for hoping one day it might be you by my side? Yeah, she's trying to pull me closer, I got you on my mind, searching for a heartbeat she never gonna find. I'll let her feel it pounding, she'll never get inside, 'cause I may be just there with her in his Chevy Lights. Oh, but I'd rather be just you and me, lost in the dark tonight. Oh, oh, oh. Drain all the batteries until we be in the dark tonight. Yeah. In the dark tonight. Thank y'all so much. Y'all are awesome. Y'all enjoying Gussapolooza?